The Schlage Encode smart lock connects to your Wi-Fi network, enabling remote control, smart home integration, and firmware updates. It uses a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Ensure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz network and that the lock is within 30 feet of the router with minimal obstructions. WPA2 or WPA3 encryption is required. WEP and open networks are not supported. To initially connect, download the Schlage Home app version 6.0 or later. Follow the in-app instructions to add your device and connect to Wi-Fi. You'll typically scan a QR code or manually enter credentials. Avoid using guest networks or VPNs during setup, as they may interfere with connectivity. Make sure to have the lock close to the router during the initial setup phase. If your Schlage Encode disconnects, first power cycle the lock by removing and reinserting the batteries. Then, in the Schlage Home app, select Add Device and connect to Wi-Fi. For persistent issues, try a soft reset via the app's connectivity menu. If that doesn't work, consult the manual for a physical reset procedure. The Schlage Encode operates exclusively on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. This is due to its hardware design, which prioritizes broader range and penetration. If you experience connectivity problems, ensure your router is broadcasting a dedicated 2.4 GHz SSID. Some routers combine 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under a single SSID. Splitting them may improve performance. Wi-Fi interference in the 2.4 GHz band happens when channels overlap, causing signal conflicts that lead to connectivity problems for your Schlage Encode lock. To mitigate this, change your router's 2.4 GHz channel to 1, 6, or 11. These channels are spaced far enough apart to avoid overlapping with neighboring networks. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app such as NetSpot to scan your area and identify the least congested channel available. If your router has aggressive channel hopping features, manually configure it to stay on one of the recommended channels for stable connectivity. When the Schlage Encode is offline, it operates in standalone mode. The keypad and physical keys still function, but remote features are disabled. The app will display an offline status. Connectivity and full functionality resume upon reconnection. Plan ahead and make sure you have physical keys available. Schedule regular connectivity checks via the app to minimize offline time. For locks in dead zones, consider using Wi-Fi extenders or Ethernet bridges, which requires additional hardware. Schlage is moving towards incorporating Bluetooth Low Energy for faster local connections. The lock supports the Matter protocol for improved interoperability. Expect future updates to support Wi-Fi 6 compatibility. To recap troubleshooting for your Schlage Encode smart lock, remember to regularly check your router settings to ensure 2.4 GHz compatibility. Keep your Schlage Home app updated to access the latest fixes and improvements. Monitor your lock's battery life to prevent unexpected connectivity drops. Expert opinions highlight the value of proactive network management and using offline modes for enhanced privacy. For detailed guides, visit the official Schlage website or consult the app documentation. If issues persist, consider contacting Schlage support for advanced troubleshooting assistance.